Uy, ayun na nga. Another fortification. Bambra Castle. Hi! We are with Danby! Danby. Sa Tish TV. We're with sa Tish TV.
So Tish TV, welcome to Algar Diary. It's not even focusing here.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it
You
is.
know, it's like
This
360.
is a collab between Danby, Algar Diaries, and Friends.
Sa Tish.
Yeah. Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
So don't
Do that.
on the channel.
Danby, it's Danby. Oo nga eh. Pero okay na, okay na. Picture na eh, no? Yeah. Yeah. Picture dito, ma. Me, dito kayo nila. Dito.
Picture si ano.
Si Satish. Oh. Farming for you.
Uy, collab.
Collab.
Collaboration.
Uy, ano? Ilan to? Ladybug. The amazing ladybug. Uy, si mama nangunguna. Paano? Okay. Good. Uy, ang ganda dito, pre. Ang ganda dito. Ayan. Oh. The game. Uy. Ito na. Yeah. Dito ka. Dito kita ng isang matindi dito. Saan tayo? Apat? Saan? Eh baka maganda doon. Tignan mo doon.
Ano ba?
Ayun dito. Mama. Para makita mo yung mga attacks. Pagka... Ayun. Hindi ah. Seryoso yan. Seryoso yan.
Siya yung ano.
Seryoso yan. Si Dante.
Kinakarera. Wow.
Saan yung dalawa natin?
Andun, aura pa rin ng aura.
Nag-aura farm pa.
Yung pala yung
Ay, ano ito ba yung student? Uy,
Ano yan?
tingnan natin kung kailan nag-start ang history ng Bambra Castle. Okay. Ito pala ang start. Girlie, ito pala ang start. 1200.
There's a name like that. Jullie was er dan niet kijken, zo onderwijs?
Yeah. Yeah. Welcome
Wow, may
to the
voice over pala
doghouse.
dito. May voice over.
Yung voice over niya na.
Parating na sa Vertigo
Pagkatapos.
Belmonte.
Pagkatapos ng...
Si Ivy nagbo-voice over yan. Mga mare, papunta na kami.
Yeah, but he's not going for just a weekend. He's going for 3 weeks. He gets paid for more.
Dito yata yung mga archers. Ha? Siyempre pang ano yan eh, silip yan ng mga archers. Woo! Archers ready.
Beautiful beach.
Yeah. Yeah, the invasion will be coming from there. So
18th century. Ship or something.
the boat, siege boats. Alert the armory. Ito lang daw yan, oh. Dito tangi, ito, oh. Dito anak ko, beach. Beach. It. Mami. Ay. Gab, picture mo kami na maayos. Ano nak? Oh, dito kami. Wait. No. Wow. Gab. Ka dito. Ang ganda, oh. Pwede tayong pumasok doon, pre. Siyempre, parang Anik Castle.
May salt.
Yeah. Dito kakain tayo. Ay. Sinong kaluwag? Si ano? Ano yan, nak? Eat. Kuya, pasok tayo ron. Uy, okay. Eat. Ano pala yung Bamboo Castle?
It's like a decorated approach or a sword hill. And you can see beside it, it's about to be finished.
Ba't may King Henry VIII?
This stuff we've seen at other excavated finds around it, including the Sutton Booth treasure and the Staffordshire Hall. So let's move on now to another artifact in roughly the same year.
Henry VI yan, legit yan.
This stone fragment is part of the intricate style left arm of the
Walang flash dapat.
Huwag flash. We are now entering the Great Hall. Wow. Gabs ito. Yan ang suot ng mga lords. Ito, tsaka plain. Ha? Ang ganda. Full arm. Mi, picture ng mga si Gab dito. Dito. Sa gitna. Gigitna ka. Sa gitna. Ayan, relax ka lang, nak. Relax ka lang. Huwag yung parang robot. Yan. Kami ni mama naman. Uy, ang laki ng snooker. Oo, snooker yan. Snooker yan, snooker. There you go. There you go. Wow. Wow. Black steel. Magandang armor. Black steel.
Dragon. Pwede bayonet.
Bayonet. Humawakan ha. Ha? What's gun?
Musket yan.
Oh, a deer.
Ito it. Flint lock. Ito flint lock.
Ha? Oy, gabo. Ito. Alert the armory.
Fight.
Nothing.
Giraffe in winter.
Ah, okay. What's this? Is that like taxonomy or what's that? Taxidermy of a real giraffe or
It's a cloud.
okay. So,
Lost on the cloud.
these are the old owners. Yes, ma. Coronation robes. Armstrong coronation. Ito na yun. Ay ka ba yun? Castle. Buti pa si Dante, no hands eh. No. No hands na si Dante. Oh, sword. Sword. Uy. Ang dami ring fireplace eh. Uy, musket gabo. Oh, the fox. Swiper, no swiping. There you go. Ayan, yung giraffe na... Ayan, yung giraffe na yan.
May dadaan.
Ay, me? Mamsi, ref magnet. Meron yan, shop store. Gab, how much is sago? How much is sago? 19? 19 si sago? 19 si sago. Si sago. Yan, lagay mo na dyan. Ang ref magnet ay ayun. Bawal dito ang pangit. Ay, eto, pwede siyang armory. Imbakan niya ng mga ano, cannibals. Hindi, ano yan, mga masasama. Ayun. Yung mga ano, mga prisoners of war. Pag natsugi ka, dito ka. Para dali ka. Pagka nadali ka, tapos ka na. Ano yun? clock tower sa dish. Oh, cafeteria. Pre. Old stable. Old stable that's been made a diner. Eat, Gab, Mama. Gabriel, Mama. Oh yeah. Mami. Dito sa taas. Ewan ko, alam mo naman yun eh. Ayun oh. Alert the armory. Uy, bago-bago lang to ah. Ayun oh, ayun dalawa. Makikita mo yan dyan. Uy, tintin. Uy, museum. Museum.
Asa mo sino?
No museum for today. Oh, kasama mo sino? Si ano? Sino ba? Si ano? Uy! Ayun yung dalawang tokmulo. Ayun yung si Gabo.
Asan na sila si Tish?
Ay, oo nga, si Satish. Asan?
Ay, kala ko kasama mo.
Hindi.
Naglibot na yun.
Baka gusto mo matutong maging isang Army Navy. Oh, a gypsy. Pre. Oo. Mukha naman.
Chainmail oh.
Chainmail.
Baka hindi sa
Chainmail. Gab, you wanna try chainmail? Oo, mabigat talaga yan. Chainmail. Yari ka dyan. Thank you. Gab, yung water mo. Eat, hide. This is a good fortification. Para makita mo yung enemies. Ha? Nakita mo yung ano yan? Saan?
Yan yung sand nun eh, no?
Dito ba tayo nagdaan? Saan? Dito tayo dumaan tangi. Kanina. Dito tayo dumaan. Dito ba?
Hindi ba yun? Kabilang gilid na eh.
Kabilang gilid.
Ito mga damo.
Ayun o, parang tukmol o. O, kami ni Mami.
Dito, Diyan na dito, maganda dito eh. Dito,
Maganda yun ang ano.
tingnan mo.
Ba, yun ang may dagat eh. Gusto ko may dagat eh. Ayun o.
Huli nga kita yung dagat eh.
Hindi dito. Kaya nga kailangan lumapit ka dito eh. Oh. Aray, eto pa ganito dito. Picturean mo nga sila. Tower oh. Yan, 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 yan. Yo.
Bigyan mo sa likod mo.
Oh, ano ba yan? Oh, there you go. Yeah. Saan ka na? Museum daw eh. Museum. Ayos to ah. Uy, ano yun? Tapos pababa yun ah. Kumana yung ilaw na yun. Salamin sa bubong. No? Ano? Entrance to the museum. Yeah. Oh. War. Sinaunang chikot pre. Parang jet engine to. Piston. Piston. Oh, bomb. 500 pounder. Candy. Uy, anchor. Uy, Labrador na black. I just upload. I just upload raw videos. Yeah.
We can see the people.
50 minutes.
Let's go from here. Zigzag motion. Hey, your son got that?
Yeah, yeah.
He was let go inside?
No, I think they went on the proper route.
Okay.
I think it's far. Oh, yeah,
Still have like
Fake. Shucks. Puta ano to? Bakit? One at a time.
I need to get a shoe cleaner.
Yeah.
Saw that in Tesco.
Uy. Yeah. Fine sand. Yeah. Whew. Whew. Welcome to Lahar. Giant sandworms. Dahan-dahan lang ako. Sila. Yeah. There. Ito ko na yung tulay. Ano Dante? Where's Dante? Yun sa tish. Bambra Castle. There goes the Bambra Castle. Oo nga, okay yan ah. Picture mo nga rin.
I'll be boy. Man.
There you go. Yes. Gab. It's healing me down. Yun. That's proper aura farming. Yes, Spangle. Yeah, well.
Come on, boy.
Off leash. Do you off leash Snoopy?
I do.
But yeah, it's very big. That's kind of
Yeah. If he comes over here, he will do that.
yeah. If you zoom,
Yeah.
I mean it's okay here
Yeah, it is okay here.
because
He doesn't generally bite anyone, but
Yeah.
For the content,
Yeah.
say hi to the Danby channel.
Hey Danby channel, what up?
like, subscribe,
And share.
share,
And eat sausages.
and be vegetarian.
Yeah. Oh, that's long.
I like the telescopic.
Yes. How long is yours?
Gab.
Men, big men.
They're made in China.
You got the answer.
Now DJI is also made in China.
Insta360 is Chinese.
Oh, this is better.
Yeah. Better days. Okay. Yeah, let's head back. You know, invaders. Those are the cannons.
Yeah.
So if they siege here, they come from here. Yeah. This is the only proper beach they can land.
Yeah, they have to come by ship.
Yeah.
Like the migrants will come.
What do you have? The sandwich and salad.
Ibig sabihin parang, kasi yung isa, nervyoso na.
Ay, nervous. Nervous, give me space. Yung isa, saan nakalagay?
Oh, cute naman.
Meron siyang, baka tatak lang yun.
Pag best friend,
Ewan ko, baka lang ano lang siya.
ayun o, nakaano eh. Gagalit yung Rottweiler. Ayun, best friend din.
Oo nga eh, baka tatak.
Best friend. Ayun. Best friend sila.
Si Blade. Blade siguro pangalan nito. Si Nerv.
Eto matanda na.
Sa brain. Ano siya?
Nanginginig siya. Oh.
Ayun, parang si Coco. No?
Yung, ano,
Parang si Coco.
yung kapatid ni Coco.
Parang ganyan yung kulay ng kapatid ni Coco yata eh.
Ayun yung daw.
Si Coco.
Ah, ito si Coco. Eh, sure.